Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your WordPress admin username, quickly, safely, and with zero hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a brand new admin account, and you'll know your old username is gone for good. Whether you want to boost your website's security or just ditch an outdated username. Let's dive right in and get this done together. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard as your current admin. This is your command center, the place where you manage every part of your site. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just head to your site, phpMyAdmin, and enter your usual admin credentials. Remember, you need admin access for this task, so double-check that you're using the right account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu and find Users. Hover over it. And you'll see the option for Add New, or it might say Add User depending on your WordPress version. Click on that. Now, why are we doing this instead of just editing the old admin username? Well, WordPress actually doesn't let you change a username directly for security reasons. So creating a brand new admin account is the safest workaround. On the Add New User page, you'll need to fill in a few details. For the username, pick something unique and strong, not admin or something easy to guess. Security is key here. Next, enter a different email address from your current admin, because WordPress requires each user to have their own email. If you don't have a secondary email, you can always create a free one quickly. Now set a strong password. WordPress will even suggest one for you. Don't rush here. It's important to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You can also copy this password and keep it somewhere safe for now, just in case. Scroll down to Role and make sure you select Administrator. This gives your new account the highest privileges. Just like your old admin, double-check everything here: username, email, password. Enroll, then click Add New User. It might take a moment to process. Don't worry if it spins for a second, that's totally normal. Next, you'll need to log out of your current account. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right and selecting Log Out. It might feel a bit strange leaving your old account behind. But don't worry, we're about to make the switch official. Now log back in, this time using the brand new admin username and password you just created. If you copied the password earlier, now's the time to paste it in. Once you're back in the dashboard, you're running your site from the new secure account. Head back to the Users section and click All Users. Here you'll see a list of everyone who can access your site, including your old admin username. Find your old admin account and click Delete. You might feel a pang of hesitation here. But don't worry, you won't lose any of your posts or pages. Here's an important step. When WordPress asks what you want to do with the content owned by your old username, choose Attribute All Content To and select your new admin username. This makes sure nothing gets lost. All your blog posts, pages, and other content will now show as created by your new admin user. Go ahead and confirm the deletion, and that's it. You've now officially changed your WordPress admin username. Much safer, right? If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button. It really does help. If you have any questions or got stuck on a step, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.